welcome back to today's video. I just wanted to start off by saying this is going to be the last video I post for a little while, as the next couple of weeks will be the Easter holidays, so I won't be putting any content up then, but do keep an eye on the channel as I will be back to posting the first week back after the holidays. I've got another couple of pieces of work to share with you today. The first one comes from Liam, who has created this huge painting of a rainforest scene with lovely colourful parrots. And my favourite part is the detail that he's managed to put into the branch of the tree. I think that's really, really clever. So well done for that, Liam. The second one comes from Gordon. Now he's done a rainforest poem, but he's done an acrostic poem, and he's done it based on the word rainforest. And I think that's a really clever idea because I don't think a lot of people will have thought to do an acrostic poem, so well done for that as well, Gordon. The work that I've been sharing is only some of what we've been sent. We've been sent loads of amazing things that you've been doing at home, so I just wanted to say a really, really big well done to both children and parents, because I know that this time has been a really big adjustment for teachers included, and it's not been easy for everybody, so I just wanted to say well done with what you're doing, and you're doing a great job. Okay, for the last time for a couple of weeks, on to today's maths. Okay, so the first one on Friday's arithmetic is 99,999 add 100. Now, this is a bit tricky because we've got all 9s here and we're adding another 100 to the hundreds column. So we'll check using the formal written method what the answer is. 9 add 0 is 9, 9 add 0 is 9, 9 add 1 is 10, and then we've got 9 add 1 is another 10, and 9 add 1 is another 10. So we've got 100,099. The next one, 222,568, take away 46,084. So again, we can do that using the formal written method. Making sure we've got our place value all correct. 8 take away 4 is 4, 6 take away 8 you can't do, so we exchange. 16 take away 8 is 8. 4 take away 0 is 4, 2 take away 6 you can't do, 12 take away 6 is 6, 1 take away 4 you can't do, 11 take away 4 is 7, and 1 take away nothing is 1. So the answer is 176,484. The final one on today's arithmetic is 31.83 multiplied by 6. Now don't let the decimal point scare you. We would do this like we would do any other arithmetic. All we need to do is make sure there's a decimal point in here lined up. So 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 8 is 48, add 3 is 51, 6 times 1 is 6, add 5 is 11, and 6 times 3 is 18, add 1 is 19. So the answer is 191.16. The first one on today's reasoning questions. Jason drinks 320 millilitres of milk every day, and it's asking you how many litres of milk he drinks in 7 days. So as we know, 1 litre equals 1,000 millilitres. So we first need to find out how many millilitres he drinks in 7 days, and then convert millilitres into litres. So 320 multiplied by 7, 0 times 7 is 0, 7 times 2 is 14, 7 times 3 is 21, add 1 is 22. So he drinks 2,240 millilitres of milk every day, and if we're to divide that by 1,000, our digits are moving 3 spaces to the right of our decimal point, so that would leave us with 2.24 litres. The next one, 3 different numbers add up to 100. All the numbers are greater than 30, and 2 of the numbers are odd, which means the other one must be even. So there are various different combinations you could have had for this. What we know is that 3 times 3 equals 9, which means 3 times 30 equals 90. So those numbers are probably not going to be more than 40. So it just takes a bit of trial and error really. So let's try 31, add 37, add 32. So 1 add 7 is 8, add 2 is 10, 3, 6, 9, 10. So this could have been one of your combinations, or you could have had a different combination, but you just need to make sure that you've got 2 odd numbers in your addition. So I've got 1 and 7, 31 and 37, and then an even number, and that they add up to 100. So my number's 31, 37, and 32. The next one, it gives us a calculation. 17 times 19 equals 323. Use the fact above to find the missing numbers below. So the first question, 170 times 190. So we've got 2 extra zeros in that question. So our answer, 323, will have 2 extra zeros as well. So it would be 32,300. The next one, 3,230 divided by 19. So that's got 1 extra zero in there, and we know that 17 multiplied by 19 is 323, which means if we do the inverse, 323 divided by 19 would be 17, but we've multiplied it by 10 here, which must mean the answer is 170. And the last one on this group of 3, 1,700 times what equals 32,300. Well, we've already got our 2 extra zeros added onto here, which would mean that it's 1,700 multiplied by 19. The next one, it is estimated that the population of a town will increase by 10,000 every year. In 2015, the population of the town was 236,000. What will the population of the town be in 2021? So what we know is that 2021 is 6 years after 2015. So we need to do 6 multiplied by 10,000, because in each of those years it's increasing by 10,000, and 6 times 10,000 equals 60,000. Then we need to add that to 236,000. So zeros add zeros, 6 add 0 is 6, 6 add 3 is 9, and 2 add nothing is 2. So the answer is 296,000. And the last question. Holly has this star. All of her sides are the same length. Holly says my star is a regular shape, but Holly is not correct. Explain how you know. So yes, all her sides are the same length, but for a regular shape, all the angles have to be the same as well. And if we look at these angles, they look like right angles here, but we've also got reflex angles. So we've got a mixture of right angles and reflex angles. So the reason she is not correct is because not all the angles are the same. So that's all from me today. I hope you have a lovely Easter and are able to have a break from everything, and I shall see you back here on Monday the 20th of April. Thanks for watching. Bye!